welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Fiona Fernandez and I am vlogging today. Welcome to a very new vlog. So you can see I am all dressed up because I attended the mass today, and also we had to attend a function. The mass was like of the function itself, of anniversary. So because I didn't go earlier, I went for that mass, and that's the reason I'm dressed up. But for the function, mom and dad have gone, and today is Father's Day. So because my mom and dad are out, we thought we'll do something special for my dad. So it's a very good time for us to surprise him. He has no idea. None of us have wished him actually, so we can wish him when he comes over here. So if you do like this vlog, then make sure you already subscribe to my channel now for more such videos, and also like and share this video. Watch till the end, and it's going to be a lot of fun because we have a lot of activities today. And now we're going to buy a cake from a nearby place. It's a new store opened like especially for bento cakes called as Bento Cakery. So finding such bento cakes is very rare over here, but I'm glad that we finally have a place and we are going over there, and I will keep you guys updated because once we are back home we also have to go somewhere else, which will be updated later. So we are on our way to get the cake, as well as we have planned of some decoration or some like craft, which we have very short time, like 1 hour. Hopefully we will be able to execute it. Inside Bento Bakery, I've placed an order for a bento cake as well as a half kg cake, and he gave us to taste the chocolate ball that was at least 20, really good. And they do prepare the cakes in 7 minutes, so we are waiting. Until then, I will show you all that is available. If you can see, they have got pastries, donuts, and cupcakes, as well as half kg, 1 kg, and the bento cakes. Apart from that, they have also got pizzas, the mini pizza 8-inch and 10-inch, and also if you can see all the party decor items, the place is a very small cakery, and for the location where exactly it is it's in the Uruva Marigudi road. So it comes in the main road, and the apartment name, all of that I will just put here in the screen. I'm not really sure, but the place name is Bento Cakery. It's the first ever outlet in South India, and as for the cake that I tasted, it was really good. And once I go home, I'll give you a detailed review as to how it is.
A few moments later.
Back home, guys, and this packet that you can see is one more cake, and it is to be taken to my granny's house because it was my grandpa's birthday a few days back, and we are celebrating it today, like cutting the cake. But my parents won't be able to attend it because they have to attend the function. So me and my siblings will be going there and doing a very small cute celebration, and we are actually late. Take. So the thing is, it's already 1:15, and almost around 2:30 my parents will be back. So we have to go there, celebrate, have our lunch, and then get back home quickly and decorate all of this. So I will take you all along the process as to what we are doing. I hope we'll be able to, execute everything.
Why is my hair so bad?
Smile, Daddy. Smile. Subscribe, won't subscribe. 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 Like sang. And share. Yes, अशे दाखय. अशे दाखय. Was by sir. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
1 hour later.
Now we are back after our lunch. We had Appam's chicken curry and also the cake. I am full, but now we need to quickly hurry up. I know I'm wasting my time, but you can see the table over here. We thought of doing a small setup, but before that we have to do also a card. But I don't know. I've just told my brother it's a task to do, but I'll have to search for those craft items. Kale? My mom is calling. Hello, hello. Yes. So we still have a time of like 30 minutes. That's what my mom said. So let's get to the one. So guys, now the plan is to do something like a card. So I found it on Pinterest. It's going to be our palm friend 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to write the best dad ever and hands down and all of that. So I will be in the center and you both on the other side. So I will go for red.
Why is it like that? Why you want Chris to be in the center and you right?
But it's going to be a different color.
It's still yours is big hand, right? Mine and your hands. No, wait, Chris, away.
Chris, Angaye.
Chris.
If he has got his logic, then maybe whatever he does. Grab your chairs and sit yours.
हाथ खोल ले. हाथ खोल.
We have got.
मुझे ओढ़ला.
But we have got the exact same.
LOL. मुझे ओढ़ला.
LOL. You
मुझे
want-
सेंटर ऐसे जी.
So you will put red there. Okay. Sit down, sit down. You won't be sitting on the camera. Hattai. Is it thick? Angaye, take this hand.
It's kind of.
Bro, the cam is over there. Why are you acting like a dumb?
It's kind of the.
You don't want me.
Okay, so we are doing it together, you guys, and we'll start painting. I think you need to wet your hand. That would be great. Then I'll directly apply this. No, I'm it good. Put some water on this also. Fast, Chris, move fast. So guys, I have set up the bento cake. It looks like this. It's like the best dad, and we are going to set it. I'm just placing the camera over here and you'll know what all settings we are going to do. So guys, we are having the best dad over here, and beside that we are I'm placing this tiara on my dad. I know it looks funny, but anyway, it's a good thing. And on this side we'll place a vase of flowers that we already had, and some donuts and some juice as well. तको नहीं उता गले यूं अल्रे
ये काले ना दे और कोई नहीं दे.
ट्रिसमा
काले काले संग तावनी काम तो करे. सांग ना तो उलई. ये ने.
Not this brother.
Try कर brother.
I don't know why you people do like this.
ये केक कशा करायचे?
काढू ना रे कसा भीतर येतं.
Guys, ಇದು ಎಂತ ಕೇಕ್?
अंगा चपरी.
Guys, the setup is ready. My parents are out. I'm just showing you all guys. So your flowers, here's a bento cake, and here's some donuts and the monkeys that my dad likes and the juice. So this is how our setup is. Chris doing all the work now. All of this while they were sitting and gossiping. And my art, whatever I did, I will show you guys once, you know, when my dad itself
That is
opens
not
it.
an art.
The craft, whatever we did. But it's a very good DIY gift. DIY gift, not DIY. Sorry. Yeah. What? Who is? Eh, Gutta. Happy Father's Day!
Oh, thank you. Kale hai. Oh, happy Father's Day again. Ah, Father's Day.
ताका तेज हो गया तो great.
ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಬೊಣ್ಣೆ ಏಕ್ಲಾನಿ ವಿಶ್ ಕೊಡು
Hey, on purpose. On purpose.
ಮುಳತಕ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಸಂಗೀತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಾನು ವಾದ.
ये तुमका ते तुम्ही बोलेंगे थैंक यू थैंक यू मैडम
Stay there, go.
जाना कबूतर.
कबूतर जा जा. अले ये तुझे अले. तंका विश करा रे. Cruise happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. ये.
ಶಿವನ ನೋಡಿ.
गाम पूछ रहे गाम पूछ रहे गाल रे तक
ए तू का नहीं रे ये मगर मंडल क्या सना
मगर go. छेड़ो नहीं छेड़ो.
हां बड़ा
गल्ले समान है चेटा काय घालून गुत्तेना हां खाले
बघा हे.
अरे ती हेलो हैप्पी फादर्स डे
तुम्ही काल एक वर्ष झाले फादर
Wait. Father's on 1 year.
करेक्ट वन
Okay.
Oh.
This is your cake. Oh. They want a stand, I guess. Hey! What? Good. Very good. Arava. Cut kar. Arava. Be careful. Good job. Two fathers in a frame. Mama, you are not a father. Let only the fathers stand. Yes. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to you.
Congratulations, man.
Happy Father's Day to you, dear Dada. Happy Father's Day to you. May you have many fathers. May the good God bless you. May the good God bless you. May the good God bless you and keep you. Happy Father's Day to you. Enough.
No.
The cake is really good. It's good. The bento cake. This is called as bento cake. It's 250 gram for 200 rupees. So if my mom says the cake is good, then definitely it's good. Because other than cream fresh, it's very hard for her to find good cakes. And the house is a mess. What is this, bro? You shouldn't be doing this. Attacks! Now remove that. We have something in there. Remove that. Be careful.
This Papa Ego.
Oh.
Hands down. Loves Fiona Cyrus Bliss.
Yes. Thank you. Right. Thank you. आता ये
Thank you. Now.
मुझे मुर्गियाँ आओ दे बरे करो.
Very good. So now it's time for distraction and some rest, guys. Because evening again we have to go somewhere. So yeah, it's complete time for rest.
चीयर्स करने का
Yeah.
Cheers kar do. Pundur, I want to click some aesthetic pictures. Cheers. Cheers. Drink.
ए मम्मा दी र आधा पिएन का दोगाई दी
वन्नी.
3 hours later.
Hello guys, so now after the break that we took in the noon, we are now ready to go for our what day. I am wearing this kurta that I had showed you guys some months back that I got from Jayalakshmi because I have a dance performance and then we have the family singing, the practice that you all saw in the previous vlog, and I think there are different performances as well, like orchestra and all of that. So I will take you guys along with me.
Singing and the keyboard victims on the side. GPA अंक जोडले आहेत. का चिंता येता?
had been to Granny's house and now we are on the way back home, guys. So I'll be ending today's vlog. It's already drizzling. And if you did like this, like I said in the beginning, then please make sure you like the video, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Bye bye. Good night.